Just want your views on the justice system prevailing in the country. The courts take
You're
too
getting
long.
me into trouble.
How do you think we can address this issue of taking too much time? Is there anything you suggest?
I'm
So that the
saying,
common man,
as a generation, we must be ready for a little bit of injustice. Yes, I'm saying this very consciously. Because if you don't clear the backlog, it's never going to be fixed, all right? If we want to clear the backlog, we have to set some timeline. If it's a property dispute, in the next 1 month it must be fixed. Somebody has committed a murder, at least in the next 1 year it must be fixed. It's a business deal, in the next 2 months it must be fixed. You must fix a timeline and go for it. Some injustice will happen, obviously, but a great justice will happen for future generations. Right now, people take you to the court not for justice, just to make sure you're entangled forever. If I take you to the court, don't think I need justice. I want your life messed up. That's why I'm taking you to the court. Yes. If I really want to trouble you, file 3 cases on you. It's up to you to come out in the next 25 years. Well, we are facing this all the time. All kinds of bizarre cases, somebody will file. Then you have to hire a lawyer and go and do. There is really nothing. It's just figment of imagination, but they can file a case and trouble you forever. So if somebody files a false case, that guy must go to prison. These things have to happen. See, in India, there is a law for perjury, for example. There's quite a stringent law for perjury. But since independence, I don't think even a single person has gone to prison on perjury. This means in public, if you speak a lie, you're prosecutable. Tell me, how many people should be in prison in this country? If you did enforce that law, would you see definitely more responsibility in public life? Is it not needed? Just anybody can say anything, it's shocking. Anybody can say anything, unbelievable. See, it is not that they're exaggerating something a little bit. Just they're completely making up and saying things, and they're surviving in public life.